Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Basics. Today, we're talking about a fun and exciting topic, how to describe your vacation in English.
Vacations are a great way to relax and create memories, and sharing your vacation stories in English helps improve your language skills.
In this lesson, we'll cover key vocabulary, phrases, and examples to help you describe your vacation. By the end, you'll be able to confidently share your experiences.
Let's get started.
First, let's learn some useful words related to vacations. Types of vacations. Beach vacation ***, relaxing by the sea. Adventure vacation ***, activities like hiking or ziplining. City trip ***, exploring a city's landmarks and culture. Road trip ***, traveling by car to multiple places.
Example. Last summer, I went on a beach vacation to Hawaii. It was amazing. Example. Last summer, I went on a beach vacation to Hawaii. It was amazing. Destination ***, the place you visit. Itinerary ***, a plan for your trip. Itinerary ***, a plan for your trip. Accommodation ***, where you stay, like a hotel or Airbnb.
Example. Our destination was Paris. We stayed in a cozy hotel and followed our itinerary every day. Activities. Sightseeing ***, visiting famous places. Relaxing ***, taking time to rest. Exploring ***, discovering new places. Trying local food ***, eating dishes from the area.
Example. We spent most of our time sightseeing and trying local food.
When describing your vacation, start with when and where you went. Examples. I went to Bali last summer. We visited New York City in December. My vacation was 2 weeks long, and we went to Spain.
Try to include details like the season or duration.
Example. In January, I went on a road trip to California. We drove along the coast for a week.
The next step is to talk about the activities you did during your vacation. Sightseeing. We visited the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum. I saw beautiful temples and historical landmarks.
Example. In Tokyo, we went sightseeing in Shibuya and visited the famous Meiji Shrine. Relaxation. We spent our days relaxing by the beach. I enjoyed quiet mornings at the hotel spa.
Example. My favorite part was relaxing in the hot springs after a long day of exploring. Adventure. I went hiking in the mountains. We tried water sports like snorkeling and jet skiing.
Example. In Costa Rica, I went zip lining through the jungle. It was thrilling. Talking about how you felt during the vacation makes your story more engaging. Positive feelings. I felt relaxed and happy. It was exciting to explore a new culture. I enjoyed every moment of the trip.
Example. I felt so relaxed lying on the beach and listening to the waves. Challenges. The weather was a bit rainy, but we still had fun. It was tiring, but the views were worth it.
Example. The hike was challenging, but reaching the top was incredibly rewarding.
Sharing a specific story or memory makes your vacation description more interesting. Example story. One day we got lost while exploring the city. We asked a local for help and they were so kind. They even walked us to the right street.
Specific stories add personality to your description. Food is a big part of any vacation. Let's talk about how to describe what you ate. Useful phrases. We tried traditional dishes like paella and tapas. The seafood was fresh and delicious. I loved the local desserts.
Example. In Italy, I had the best pizza and gelato. The flavors were amazing. Another important part of vacations is meeting people and experiencing different cultures. Describing people. The locals were friendly and welcoming. We met other travelers and shared stories.
Example. In Thailand, the locals were so kind. They helped us find the best places to visit. Talking about culture. I learned a lot about their traditions and history. The festivals were colorful and lively.
Example. The cultural dance performance in Bali was fascinating.
Vacations often teach us something new. Let's learn how to express that. Examples. I learned a few words in Spanish, like hola and gracias. The trip taught me to appreciate different ways of life.
Example. Visiting museums in Greece taught me a lot about ancient history.
Now, let's practice with some examples.
How was your vacation? Asterisk.
It was amazing. I went to Italy, visited Rome, and saw the Colosseum. Did you have a good time on your trip? Asterisk.
Yes, we went to Canada and enjoyed skiing in the mountains. Asterisk.
When describing your vacation, remember to use descriptive words. Share your feelings. Include specific stories.
Practice talking about your vacation with friends or even writing it down. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Practice talking about your vacation with friends or even writing it down. The more you practice, the better you'll get.